ka sa college, na-pass mo. Na-pass mo?
Yeah, I passed, but, pasang-awa. Like that.
Pasang-awa?
But, I try my best.
So you try your best, tama?
No. Always trying
Pero
to...
siguro, also sino naturo mo? Sino naturo sa'yo?
What?
Nang math? Or nang equation?
Math.
Sino naturo?
My tutor.
Magaling siya.
Oo. But my mother.
Maraming magaling pero it depends.
But my mother.
Hello, guys.
Hello. You want? Want to
I
eat? I'm so hungry.
Sweet potato.
Gusto mo sweet potato?
Huwag pagkain dami yan.
Oo, linaw lang naman. Sweet potato. But my mom cut na tutor when...
Pero minsan, so nasanay ka sa tutor yan. Kasi minsan, meron ng ibang tao, like, some teachers are really good, pero not good for me.
Yeah, meron.
Ganyan.
Siguro sa ibang aspect siya magaling, pero sa math, hindi talaga ako masyado natutukan sa math eh. Kasi focus math. That's why I don't... That's why when Kuya gave the hamon,
Mapanic ka.
ano?
Mapanic ka.
Yeah, I panic and wala na. I don't think I can do numbers. But when I see the numbers, it's so easy
Oh,
for me.
if you had a piece of
Here,
paper, it's memorizing. If you had a piece of paper, well, we all have piece of paper, kaya natin lahat.
siguro mga teachers ko na nanonood na disappoint.
Monday or Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Ano yun?
Oh, no.
Tuesday.
Tuesday or Wednesday? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Oh, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Ano? Bakit? Inisip mo nga sa
That was 31 years.
Your mind is not wearing shorts.
31.
Ayaw pa move.
Smile, Kevin. You're so good in math.
Salamat.
Sana
Pero,
gagawin ako.
hindi ko, nakabot ka sa trigonometry.
Oo naman.
Hindi ako. Well, I could have, pero...
Diba, trigo? Yun yung mga...
mahirap yan.
No,
Geometry, mahirap yan.
alam mo-
Algebra 2, mahirap yan.
I can understand, but sometimes I can.
Pero naabot ka sa trigonometry. Napass mo.
Minsan, for example, we have, next subject is trigonometry. I don't go to lunchtime or lunch break for that subject. So
Kasi trigonometry is hard.
I try to, tulungan mo ako, help me, ganyan. Patulong ako. I always
naman.
do that.
Pero napass mo.
Yeah, I passed because,
Hindi ako nasubukan.
kasi pagpasok mo, susubukan mo, mahirap.
Oo, oh my gosh. Hindi ko gusto
Pero
ang
now, I
shapes.
always fail.
Mahirap sa ulo.
In
Sa...
well exam, always got out of 15, I always got 5, 10. But my classmate, they got perfect score.
Ibang tao sa ibang subjects magaling.
Yeah. Sila na.
Pero as long as you know you tried your best. Kahit hindi perfect.
I think I try my best, but I don't give my full.
Yun. Minsan naisip ko yan din sa akin. Nung
Because if I don't want something, I don't want talaga.
Nung sa eskwela ko, minsan, I was like, gusto ko subukan to, pero so much work. Minsan, and I'll give like, maybe not everything, maybe 80%. Pero,
My mother always said, don't want that subject. Ayaw mo yung subject na yan. Pero paano ka makakapasa kung hindi ka mag-aaral? Hindi mo ibibigay yung
tama.
maling mo yung subject. Yun lagi sinasabi ng mama. Pero ewan ko.
Hirap ako din sa
Dahil-
physics, math. Di ko gusto ang shapes. Shapes at,
Shapes din, may
that's why,
angle.
that's, natakot ako kasi,
Diba, the angle?
akala ko nung,
Alam mo may angle. I cannot do that.
well, at least like,
Siguro nakakaya
adjacent.
sa mga naging teacher ko. Kasi dati, alam mo, nagre-remedial pa ako sa math. They give time to test. Pero, na ano naman, I passed. Pag kunyari ngayon ay study. I know. Then, next year, maybe I forgot. Ganyan ako. I always like that. Yoko. Una. Ayan na yan. Diyan na yan.
Gano'ng katagal na ito?
Tigas pa eh.
Tigishi.